Now here's silver. That is the daily scale of silver, and silver broke through the red line. Yes, smashed through the red line. But now silver and gold reached really a very interesting situation, a level that is, I mean, the structure that we have seen coming down right from here, the price action, is possible to take this as a complete move, and that now raises the prospect that that could in fact be an ABC complete. The first sign, in my opinion, that this is an ABC complete that could send silver higher would be going back to establish a base above 16.2 around here. Okay, that's the first sign, because I think if this is a 1, 2, and that's 1, yeah, if I'm right, and this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 complete here, with an extended first, then it is not going to go there, obviously. It's going to give you a 1, 2, 1, and it's going to spend a bit of time here, okay, not really reaching that far, and correcting what we have seen here, and then continuing down. And then we have, this will be the making of a pattern that is very, very likely to be with us for many months. Yes, many months, something like that. I repeat, 1, 2, or even if it's an AB, but if it doesn't manage to climb back above 16.2 and build a base here, the prospects will arise by a lot, that price action here will declare this overhead resistance is insurmountable at this point, and silver will be seeking lower grounds for months to come. How can I say months to come with such confidence? Well, I'm just relying on the time scale that is guiding me in this interpretation. When you look at the structure here, you see that the B, just the B, yeah, if I go with an ABC idea, yeah, just the B took 1, 2, 3, almost 4 months. That's 3.5 months easily. Now, if this is not a complete C, and I warn you, it could be a complete C, but if it's not a complete C, going down further would declare this likely wave 1. So by the time you finish 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, that's going to take a long time, because the first wave down, as you can see, took probably, I don't measure it to the day, but it looks to me like more than a month. Okay, the beginning of the break from here. That's how I reach the conclusion that there'll be pressure on silver here, selling pressure for months to come. Now let's jump to the 120-minute scale, and this is the idea that I worked with during the week. I don't know if you remember, paid attention, that I said to you here, in fact I marked it, that if silver stops the slide before 15.11 and reverses, it raises the prospects of treating this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is valid. Extended first, 3rd wave, 4th wave, 5th wave. Now, of course, it could be wrong. It could be that there is a different wave count operating here. If we see on Monday, coming Monday, Tuesday, it's just sliding. Yes, it disregards this structure that I put here, it disregards that, it continues to slide, then obviously we again have to modify the wave count here. This will not work. Okay, but all in all, I hope you get an idea where I think things should be, where the price action should go or not go, in order to respect or cancel various wave counts that I've been using here. Now here's gold. In gold I choose to discuss a different wave count, and this is the 2-hour scale. Every bar that you see here stands for 2 hours of price action. We can discuss the AB, we can discuss the 1, 2, and here I suggest we look at the first leg And you see it's not high confidence, that's why you see so many question marks, okay? So this is your 1, which is an extended first. That's your 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the end of the first leg. That's an ABC second leg. Okay, coming down, that's your third wave. So it keeps with the idea that we had an extended first in the first leg. So it ends up that the first leg itself, containing an extended first in its subdivisions, is going to end up being the extended first of the high scale. That's really interesting. Now, if this is correct, gold is not going to go anywhere. This little bounce that we have seen here would just be it. That's all. It will just be a little bounce, small bounce here, not really giving us something like that. Now, anytime you see it climbing about 1237, 1238, building a base here, this is news. This is news because first of all it's going to cancel my proposed wave count here for 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be out, and we're going to have to review the price action. I would say if gold manages in the coming week to run back to above 1268, that is pretty strong signal of strength. I do not expect it in the circumstances, but if it does manage to do that and it sits nice and pretty above 1268 and it starts building a base here, I would imagine this is a sign of strength that could lead to further run. We'll have to examine it step by step, but all in all, I hope you get the idea of the levels that I think are critical in the circumstances here. If this wave count is correct, then repeat, we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4th wave, come down, stay around here for a few days, then continue to look down. That would be the right wave count.